So I'm back with another quick and easy pescatarian dinner in just 15 minutes. This one is called Teriyaki Salmon Rice Bowl. This bowl is packed with tons of flavor using glazed salmon, fluffy jasmine rice, fresh cucumbers, and steamed broccoli. It's simple, healthy, and easy to prepare. This meal is perfect for busy weeknights, or it can be used as an easy meal prep idea. Let's get into it. Kevin, what is that? My bad. Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're doing another 15-minute quick meal. It's a teriyaki salmon rice bowl. That's what we're making today. A teriyaki salmon rice bowl. All right? I'm a little sleepy. I'm you today. Okay, because I know how it feels to have a long day. You come in either from work, running around, whatever it is, meetings, whatever it is that you do. And when you get home, all you want to do is lay down and probably order some food. But we're not going to do that today. This is probably going to be a voiceover mostly, but I did want to come on here and say, hey, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, thumbs this video up, share it, comment, let me know if you guys are enjoying my 15-minute quick meals to keep us in the kitchen and stop ordering takeout. All right, so let's get started. For this quick and delicious teriyaki salmon rice bowl, I'm starting with fresh, crisp, diced cucumbers. Then you will need some broccoli florets, which we're going to steam until they're tender. For our base, we're using long grain jasmine rice, which comes out fluffy once it's cooked. The star of the dish is the Atlantic salmon fillets, which I'll glaze with teriyaki sauce for that rich, savory flavor. I'm going to add fresh herbs for brightness and color. For seasoning, I have minced garlic, all-purpose seasoning, adobo, of course. And I have a little slap yo mama for a kick. Now let's get started. So I'm going to rinse it with some warm water. And then we're going to add some fresh lemon. Right, so how was you guys' day today? Was it good? Can you see that? I don't got no paper towel, so I can't pat it dry, but I'm pretty sure y'all got paper towel out there in YouTube land. Pat dry your salmon, okay? Let's take this over to the stove, you guys. Oh, just to give y'all a heads up, I made my rice ahead of time. I made it yesterday. So if you guys don't know how to make rice, I can do a separate video to show you how to cook rice. If you have a rice cooker, use a rice cooker. It's easier. If you use microwavable rice, because I know some people microwave their rice, meaning by the rice that you can microwave, you could do that too. Whichever works for you. Just get some nice long grain rice, whatever rice you like. I use jasmine rice, but you know, okay? All right. Back to normal programming. So this is how I steam my broccoli. I use a pot, make it boiling water, and then I put this in it like this. Listen, Just in case you didn't know how to steam, because some of y'all might be like, I don't have a steamer, I can't. This is how you steam. The water's gonna boil. This has holes in it. See the holes? You're gonna put your broccoli in here, season it up or whatever, put your butter or your olive oil, whichever you decide to use, and the steam is gonna come up. You know why? Because it's called, this is the word of the day, y'all, resourceful. It's called being resourceful. Right? Yeah, yeah, yeah. We're gonna put our broccoli in, okay? So let's put our broccoli. Okay. Put a little seasoning on it. Use some adobo. Hold on. Let me tuck y'all. Okay. Oh, let me put a little olive oil so the seasoning can stick. So I'm putting 2 bags in because, like I said, this will be like meal prep, meaning I'll put it into bowls. So some seasoning. Second bag. Put this in the garbage. Right, you see the steam coming up? Y'all see y'all steamer? Look at us. Look at us. Okay. Then you're gonna put the top on it and it's really gonna steam up. Look at that. Look at us being what? What's the word of the day? Resourceful. That's the word. Resourceful. All right. So let that steam. It should take about, because you don't want it to get mushy. So I want to say let it steam. For me, I'm probably going to let it steam between 6 to 8 minutes and maybe not even 8. Really 5 to 6 minutes because I really want my broccoli not to be too soft and then not too, you know what I mean? I want it to be just right. So, yeah. So let that steam. And then we're going to do our salmon. All right, so I'm gonna put a little butter, you know what I mean, for that butter flavor that everybody likes. Okay. I'm gonna put a little garlic. How about, nah, because I'm gonna save some of my garlic for my fish. Yeah, just a little garlic. And let it steam some more. I'm so hype. I'm so hungry. I can't wait to eat. Ooh. 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 Let me stop. All right, guys. So I'm about to bring you in close. We're about to put the salmon on. Right? My fan came on. I don't know if y'all can hear that, but it's cool. We're about to come in close. About to do the salmon. Come on. Don't be shy. Let's do our salmon. We're going to lose a little bit of olive oil, as you can see right here. I'm going to put a little garlic because y'all know I like garlic. We're going to do skin side first. right? Can y'all hear that? You're gonna let it sear for about 3 minutes or so on this side. Right, I hope I'm not shaking the camera. Don't mind me, y'all. Y'all know I'm hungry and sleepy. Put a little adobo on there. So you don't have to season it too much because the teriyaki sauce is a little salty. So you don't want to over season it. You don't want your salmon to be too salty. But I mean, to each his own. Some of y'all like y'all food extra salty. I don't. I just like it flavorful, not salty. So you don't have to like do too much. Okay. Now I'm gonna flip them on the other side because you know. Now you can remove your skin if you want. I'm just keeping mine's on, but like I said, to each his own. Okay. I added a little butter. I'm gonna put some herbs. Now you don't have to do that. That's what I'm doing. Like I said, to each his own. You know what I'm saying? You add your own little flavor in. That's the fun part about cooking. The good thing about this salmon is it doesn't really take long to cook. So we're gonna add our teriyaki. If you want, you can put a little bit of pepper flakes. Just I'm gonna add some just for a little kick. A little kick. Nothing crazy. Right? Let that simmer for about 3 to 5 minutes. Right? So it made a little gravy. I did add a little bit of honey for some sweetness. I'm excited. I'm so excited. Let me button y'all in there like a little baby. This is my favorite sweater, y'all, by the way. I'm going to use a spoon because I'm a beast. Can y'all see that? It looks so good. I'm so hyped. Let's squeeze some lemon. Right. Ooh. 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 Let's get a little bit of everything. So we want some salmon. We're gonna get some salmon, go down deep and get some rice, some salmon, some broccoli, and a little bit of avocado. Right, y'all see that? Y'all, 15 minutes and you won't be disappointed. And it's not, a bad option. This tastes so good. I'm so happy. Um, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you're enjoying these 15-minute quick pescatarian meals, because I sure am. And yeah. All right. I'm going to go eat this and enjoy it. TTYL. It's so good. It's so good. So good.